What is up, YouTube? Hello, I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. And today we are here with a video that I have been looking forward to personally myself, because if you do not know, I love food. Food is, something that, money isn't everything, but you need money to buy food, and food, to me is life. So, not, my entire life, but you get the picture. So now today we are going to be doing snack crate, right? So I have personally always wanted to do snack crate. I've heard so many things about it, and now I'm going to be opening my very own snack crate, right? Okay, so let's get this open. Oh, I ain't look down. Alright guys, what is it? Do you see what state it is? Oh, I think it's Spain. Okay, cool. Alright, so we have Spain. What I did was, when I originally ordered, they let you choose between a few featured countries, but I decided to do random because, I want to choose what food I'm getting. So I got Spain. So I'm really happy about this. I know the food's going to be great. Oh, man. Okay, I'm not going to read it, right? I'm not going to read it right now. So we're going to open a couple things and go from there. This is how my box looks. I had this on top of it. It said Spain. Then another little paper said, want more snacks from Spain. And you can, if you like certain snacks from whatever country you get, they let you go back and order like specific snacks from that specific country. I got little stickers. I'm gonna keep these for the baby, but yeah. So I'm super excited, guys. Like, I'm about to take it out. Also, so with snack crate right now, they have the $1 snack crates, okay? And I paid extra $6 to get a drink and priority shipping. So my stuff came maybe within like 2 or 3 days. So in all, I only paid $7 and all of this, okay? So let's check it out. Got another little sticker. Woo! Okay, you guys go first. How do I open it? Hold on. Gotta get the sticker off. Oops. Okay. Look. Y'all tell me what it is. What is it? Does it look good? What is it? What you think, or you like it? Okay, mommy gonna look down. See, guys? Oh, I already see my drink. Oh, so I see Ruffles. Okay, guys, I got some Ruffles. It's Sabor. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it looks like it's supposed to taste like pork. But it's supposed to be gluten-free. See? That says it in Spanish. Oh, I see a whole lot of nice stuff in here. Oh, spicy mangoes. I really like, like the mango pops that come with the chili powder on the top of them. I love those. So this is definitely going to be something really good. Spicy mangoes. I'm going to be trying a couple things, but I'm going to show you guys first. Oh, I think these are donuts. So these look like donuts. See? Looks super good. Chocolate, definitely love some chocolate. Alright. And what is this? This kind of looks like a wafer. Everything is literally in Spanish, okay? I can't read Spanish, but if you can, let me know what that says. Alright. So it's wafers. I said wafer. We have Melody Pops, which is kind of like lollipops. We have 2 of them. They look super good. Okay, definitely can't wait to try this. My drink. Ooh, okay. So this is the drink that I got. Right. Ooh, this is a really nice can. I'm probably gonna keep this just because, for keepsakes. But I'm definitely gonna try this out. Probably right now. Give me a second though. I'm gonna check everything else out, and we'll go from there. All right. So this looks really good. Alright, so this looks like chocolate that has like M&M kind of, not like obviously the US brand of M&Ms, but you know, that looks really, really good. Super good, right? Alright, and now in the bottom of my box, I have, it's a handful of these candies. I'm not sure what they are. I'm about to taste one right now just because I can't read Spanish and I don't know what they are. Let me see. This is what it looks like when I unwrap it. I thought it would be hard, but it's actually chewy. You know what these remind me of? Mike and Ike's. Yeah, it tastes like Mike and Ike's. It's not nasty, but super sweet. Definitely. I'm gonna try this chocolate. Definitely not right now because I don't want to open it. But definitely gonna try this out. And also, guys, add me on Instagram. You'll probably see on my story when I try this out. So I'm definitely gonna let you guys know whether or not I think it's good. Personally, any food that I eat, it's literally based off of my taste buds. It, you know, don't take my word for it. If something that's nasty to me, or I'm not gonna say nasty, something that I don't prefer, maybe something that you like, something that you prefer. So it really depends on you. The wafer, looking forward to that. Definitely the donuts. I'm gonna open my drink now, just so I really want to try it. Okay. Ooh. So this is lemonade. So good. So good. It's really like refreshing. Most lemonades aren't refreshing, especially out of a can, but this actually tastes really good. Kind of having like a little fizz to it. So it's not pop, but it's like, you can tell it's still carbonated, but it's still so good. I really like it. Alright. So we're gonna try the mangoes. You know, I love mangoes, so this is definitely going to be something enjoyable. Alright. Let me not say that. Okay. Alright. This is one of the mangoes. We're not gonna talk about this. Is like a lima bean though, seriously. Alright. Mmm. It tastes like those pops, but it's like gummy. I mean, the lollipops that I was just talking about. It tastes like that, but it's gummy. Mmm, that's good. Hey, you want some? Hold on. Ooh, got a little kick to it, but definitely really, really good. I like it. Got my lemonade. Okay, so we're gonna be honest. I don't eat pork. I don't know if this is supposed to be pork. I'm gonna eat one, you know, just to say I ain't chicken out, but yeah, definitely probably not gonna be eating this. It don't smell too bad, you know, it don't smell too bad. It smells like a little bit like barbecue, but it's Ruffles. Tastes like bacon. Yeah, definitely tastes like bacon. Like I said, jamon means pork. Yeah, So definitely not going to be eating these, but you know, they're not bad. It just tastes like bacon. Bacon flavored chips. Okay. So I definitely want to try one of these lollipop. I don't want to really eat no chocolate right now just because it's a little bit too early. Alright. Oh, this looks really, really good. Look. Hold on. See? This is really good. Oh, it's a whistle. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, look. I don't understand why I did this. I don't know. But I think it's a whistle. That's dope. Hold on. Alright, guys. I found something new. You like it? This is super cool. Definitely great for the kids. You know, something to play with. You know, it makes different noises as you like put it at different points. It has like little notches right there, I guess, for like further notes. Alright, I'm done playing. But it tastes really good too, though. Seriously. Definitely sticky. So napkins is definitely needed. But I like it. Honestly, overall, my opinion of the box so far is great. I like it. The mango candies are definitely a hit. I love these. Super, super good. But yeah. Overall, I'm really happy with that. I was kind of nervous about, you know, my first time getting it because I didn't want to get something, you know, out of this world. But all the options are really, really good. So I definitely recommend trying it. So far, what I've noticed, Snack Crate is super great. I'm definitely going to be ordering another box. I know that they do like monthly subscriptions, but you know me, I'm super impatient, so I might order just another box this month. I'm gonna see if they'll let me. So definitely like it. Like I said, you guys like this video. And if you want to try Snack Crate, like, comment. Also follow me on Instagram so with my at my handle amariaaudrey. Alright guys, so for my Snack Crate, fun facts about Spain. On average, Spaniards devote 16 out of every 24 hours to leisure, eating, drinking, and sleeping. I don't know how factual that is, but it says it's a fact. Comment down below if it's true. I don't know. The first known stapler was made in the 18th century in the Basque country of French King Louis I don't know. Roman numerals. Who's good with that? I don't use them. I don't. I know up to 10. That's it. When Spanish children lose a tooth, they put it under the pillow and a small mouse called Rantoncito Perez comes to collect it and leaves a small gift or money in its place. Public nudity is legal in Spain. That's crazy. All the better to enjoy. The country's Mediterranean balmy Mediterranean temperate climate with its hot, dry summers, mild, rainy winters, and more than 3,000 hours of sunlight a year. The oldest restaurant in the world is in Madrid. Restaurant Botin has been built since 1725. Wow, that's crazy. The capital of Spain is Madrid, by the way, if you did not know. It is 195,360 square miles big. And they use the euros. That's so cool. If I have anybody watching from Spain, comment down below. That's really, I love to know more. Sorry, I'm just reading the stuff that I got. Cool. So guys, if you are interested in doing a snack crate, I definitely recommend that you definitely, try it out. Like I said, I did it for the first time and I got Spain. Also, if you want a little spice in your life, don't choose what country you get. Just put random and they'll send you whatever they want to. Alright, check it out. Catch you guys later.